Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make authentic, delicious Nigerian Oha Soup. Packed with rich traditional flavors, we'll be using fresh Oha leaves, Cocoyam for thickening, ogiri for the local taste, assorted meat, palm nut extract and crayfish. Everything you need for a perfect satisfying pot of Oha Soup. If you love traditional Nigerian soups, you don't want to miss this recipe. So guys, let's get cooking.
If I no marry you, I go die you. If you name me my sobugomo, you dey make me lose control. You asama, I go drink a garri with the petrol. G asama, I go sell all my property for our wedding ceremony. Asam pete wanyoma, your love they sweet me die yo. Asa, now you be the one way I love you. Asa, then the talk say I go leave you, but na lie yo. Asa, asa, if you name me my sobugobo. Asa, I beg you, make you no break in my heart. Oh. Asa. Anything you want, I go buy you. Asa, asama. If my money no reach, I go borrow. Asa, asama. I don't know what I do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Asam pete wanyoma, your love they sweet me well. Asa, now you with me go leave. Asa, if I don't marry you, I go die. Asa, asa, it be like say I don't crazy. Asa, your love they turn me around. Asa, asa, asa better one your man. Asa, asa, omale chamwa. Asa, asa, asa better one your man. Asa, omale chamwa. Asa, asa, asa better one your man. Asa, omale chamwa. Asa.